Install electric tonneau cover. First, check parts and tools. Ensure all parts, motor, rails, wiring, controller, etc., and tools, wrench, screwdriver, drill, are ready. Secure side rails to the truck bed with screws. Adjust for your vehicle model and avoid interference with other components. Stick waterproof strips first. Install the cover on rails. Connect to the motor for smooth operation. Install the cover on rails. Connect to the motor for smooth operation. Connect the power cable to the vehicle battery. Ensure voltage matches and secure any fuses. Spray water to test seals and prevent leaks. Ensure strips fit snugly.